is the KAREN lock. Whenever you use a public charger with Tesla's adapter, anyone can come by and unplug it. But with the KAREN lock, all you have to do is slide it over the tip of the adapter and then plug the car in just like you normally would. And now no one can come by and unplug your Tesla while it's charging.
Trying to fish here, dude.
Like literally trying to catch it.
Trying to fish here, man. What? Yeah, okay. Yeah. Yep. Good job, dude.
So I had some bushes cut in the backyard. I was out there with my friend and my sister. And as we were down here minding our business, guess who came out? Yep, she sure did. So we finally finished. We went up on the deck. And she's recording us, full-fledged recording us. Try to cover her face to be nice, but you know what? It's all right, whatever. So she recorded us the whole time we were cutting bushes. Also, while we were putting up the tools. I really didn't know I lived this interesting life for someone to record me. Like, am I a superstar? So I end up telling my mom about the whole situation. She buys me an umbrella. Thanks, Mom. However, do you see that cross?
Stop stalking me, right? Don't ever stalk me again.
Are you talking to me?
Yeah.
About what?
Don't ever stalk me again.
Who's stalking you about
You. Laugh some more. Do it.
what? You're crazy.
Is that right?
Karen, I'm watching you.
Knockity knock knock knock. Hello? Hi. Hello? Hi. Hi. I'm the neighbor across the street. I noticed that your grass is not standard. I know you came in because I just watched you I watched you come in from the store. Hello. I'd like to let you know about the grass. I brought some of my own. It's on the ground. I can give it to you. I could slide it on the floor if you want. I just want you to know what kind it is. Okay, well, you know what? I don't have a lot to do today, so I can hang here if you want. If you want me to. Hello? Okay, well, you might have gotten in the shower, but you know what? I can wait. Because I haven't been sleeping a lot thinking about it. My husband said the wind chimes because it's been real windy, and he said take them down. That might affect my sleep, but I actually think it's the grass that's on my mind. So, I'll wait. I'll wait. You are the apple of my eye. I think I woke up this morning and that was on the alarm. You know how that just plays and it gets in you hear it all day. It must have been on. I haven't heard that song in a while. Hey, you know what? You guys mind if I just I could take some photos of the grass, your grass, and I could put them up against my grass. We can compare notes, because you'll see a big difference. It's a good neighborhood, I'll tell you that much. You are the apple of my eye.
If you would like to knock on right here.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, okay. So what's on?
Okay. Shut the fuck up.
Wow.
Pussy ass nigga is what you are.
Wow.
Yeah. So keep slamming
Wow.
that shit. Wow. Oh, you know what? I'm about to key the fuck out your car right now.
Oh,
How
you
about
are?
that?
Okay, well, you're on
How about that? How about that? Get the fuck out my face. Get the fuck out my face. Out of my face.
Yeah, now that I fixed it.
No.
Yes,
Because
I fixed it for you.
No, that's not even the reason.
I'm not the one who put in the Planned Parenthood. I'm the one who fixed it to the right address. Can you please get out of my car?
Well, then you're not getting paid.
I don't give a shit. I'll talk to Lyft about it. I could literally deny you because you're rude.
I was not rude.
You're the only rude customer I've had in about 2.5 years. Please get out of my car. I've never asked anybody to get out except for a man who groped me.
What's up?
Never thought I'd have to deal with an actual real-life Karen. Please get out of my car. Can you leave my car? The ride's canceled. Can you get out of my car? What? I'm the one who canceled it. Holy shit.
What are you doing? Stop wiping on my car. What is wrong with you?
I got vomited in the backseat of my car because of you.
Are you joking?
I need your information for reckless driving.
No,
you know.
Hey, stop.
We got a Karen. We got a wild Karen here. Freaking eagle. You want me to leave or not? You want me to leave or not? You're blocking my way. We're going to set the speed. Alright.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Yeah, come here, please. On this receipt it says that you charged me an extra 50 cents for a sauce. Yeah, right. Oh, no. The old boss never used to charge me 50 cents for an extra sauce. Never. I've been a customer for 10 years. I've been coming here all the time. I bring my kids here. My kids will bring their kids here, yes. And we've never, ever got charged 50 cents for an extra blue cheese or extra ranch. Never. Yeah, I want you to go bring this to... Oh, you have a new boss. I see. Well, maybe he should talk to the old boss and see how he did things. I know he's the manager. I know this is his store and he has every right to do what he wants, but no. He doesn't. I want you to go talk to him right now. Here, you can take this. Let's go fix this. How did you get it fixed? Shouldn't have been a problem in the first place, but you know what? I'm just gonna take that out of your tip. Here you are.
I'm educated about my rights. I'm
She
educated
has
about my
rights as well,
rights.
and her right is to sit in the seat because she paid money for it.
Well, she
You
brought an
paid for
extra
that one.
person. Did she pay for that extra? Excuse me. Excuse me.
Wow.
No, I don't even want to hear that.
Yeah, lady,
guys
can you
all
just keep
know.
it down?
You
My
know.
God, just shut up.
Shut it.
I'm sorry.
Just shut it.
I'm sorry. No, this is absolutely ridiculous. Are you filming?
Yeah, I'm
filming
filming. Yeah.
Okay. Well, you know
Everyone
what?
is. Look.
Everybody here, you know that you don't want to sit next to the screaming baby. You know it. So stop pretending this is my problem.
Sit down and fasten your seatbelt.
I'm not going to sit down.
Sit down.
I'm going to film you.
Oh,
Do you like that? I'm going to
wow.
film you.
You can film me all
I'm
you
filming
want.
you. I'm
You
filming
can
you.
film me all you want. Just sit down and film me.
No, I'm filming you being disrespectful to me. You have
Put your
called me
mask
an
on.
idiot.
I did not call
I
you
am
an idiot.
going to send this
I'm sorry.
into the airline,
Okay, please.
and I'm going to see what they have to say about
Yeah,
it. I
sit
made
down.
a simple request
As soon as we
that
land.
you just absolutely refuse to do one simple, respectful thing for one of your paying customers.
Respectful is sitting down, fastening your
No,
seatbelt. so we
respectful
can
is
make-
moving
put
a
your mask
baby.
up.
Good Lord.
I
Put your
am.
mask up.
Are you?
Get her
You
off
should be
the
ashamed of
plane.
yourself.
Get her off the plane.
Excuse
Get her off the
me.
plane.
Get her off the plane.
I
Get her
am
off
an
the plane.
American and I have a right.
Get her off the plane. Hey, sit
I
down.
don't understand this. This is
Sit
absolutely
down.
ridiculous. No, I will not sit
No,
down.
she's not
sit
adhering to
down.
rules.
You're going
You're
to have to
adhering
haul
to
me off this
regulations.
flight. Do you understand? You are going to have to haul me off this flight.
call
I am
security.
not going to sit down until you move
Sit
the
down.
baby.
Please call security. This is unbelievable.
I don't understand. I feel like I'm going crazy here. I feel like I'm going crazy.
You are crazy.
Everybody
Yeah,
knows
lady,
that
you're
they don't want to
totally
sit next to the
crazy.
baby. I am not the crazy one.
God.
You guys all, you know what? You guys all deserve whatever's coming to you. When I
Wow.
send this in, I'm going to send this footage. I'm watching you film.
Yeah, well, I'm
I'm going to send
watching
this
you.
in to your company,
Oh.
to your manager, to the owner of the company.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me.
You should be ashamed,
Ma'am,
yeah.
saying you represent this country.
I am so sorry.
Yes, you're going to move her now?
I'm
not-
Now you're going to move her?
I'm going to remove you.
Excuse
Please,
me?
pardon me. Yes, correct this way.
No.
Do you have a carry-on
Oh.
No,
bag?
I am not getting off this plane.
This is not a request.
My luggage is underneath the plane.
You
I
have
am
until the
not.
count of 3 to get off this
I'm not a
plane.
child.
You
Get
are
her
not
off the
I'm not a
plane.
child. You
Get
cannot
her off
give me
the
till the count of
plane.
3.
One.
This is not fair.
2.
No, absolutely not.
Oh.
Do not count in my face. Do not touch me.
Oh.
Do not touch me. You're touching
I am
me.
going to touch you.
You are touching me.
Oh my
No.
gosh, lady.
Don't. You're hurting me. You are hurting me.
Oh,
Ow.
Thank you for
yeah,
your
right.
service.
No, you're
Are you
not.
getting this? Because it's
Yeah,
hurting
you're
me.
not hurt at all,
It's hurting
lady.
my arm.
Yeah,
It's
right. Yeah, right.
You know what? You guys.
Goodbye.
No matter how old you are, Karen is going to try to take advantage of you. This 11-year-old boy lived in the same neighborhood as Karen, although I think she probably looked more like this. Well, this kid was looking to make some money by doing neighbors' chores and whatnot. So he talked to Karen, and they came to an agreement that for 1 week he would pick her weeds, water her plants, walk her dog, just things like that. And Karen would pay him at the end of the week. Well, the kid did his job for a week, and when the end of the week came, the kid was expecting, not much, but at least a few dollars. But apparently Karen thought that giving him 3 packs of wafers would be payment enough. And as you can imagine, the kid was pretty upset. But he had an idea. Over the next few days, he went to his other neighbors' houses and asked them if he could remove the weeds off their lawn. And all he wanted was a few bucks in return, which they actually gave him. And he took all the weeds from the neighbors' lawns, put them together, and with a few friends, he dumped all of them onto Karen's lawn. Petty? Yeah. Worth it? Definitely.
Why do Karens pull out Tesla chargers? Well, as you can see, this is not an actual Tesla charger. Instead, this is what most other electric cars use to charge. This plug is a little bit too big to fit inside this tiny Tesla hole. So Tesla gives you this adapter to give you more access to chargers. And after you put it on, all you have to do is plug the car in like normal and it'll start charging. But the problem is that when the car is locked like this, someone else can still go and unplug this. That's why there's this lock ring to stop people from doing that. It slides over the adapter like this, and now when someone tries to unplug it, they can't because this part prevents this from lifting up.
What's your name?
My name?
Yeah.
Lil Peach.
Okay. What?
PJ.
What is your actual God-given name?
PJ. Patrick Jones.
That's what I'm asking. What's yours?
It's Ben.
What's your last name?
Dover. Ben. Dover.
Bend over, stand up!
Where's your friend?
Him? Sebastian.
Okay, so I'm going to ask you this. Come on into my office.
No, I think we'll
Come
just
on
leave.
into
Wait right there.